Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Cruze door with the key. First, grab your key fob. Press the unlock button once to open just the driver's door. If you need to open all doors, simply press the unlock button a second time. This is the quickest and easiest way to gain access to your vehicle, ensuring a smooth start to your journey. Sometimes the key fob battery might be dead, or you prefer a manual approach. Look for a small button or switch on the side of your key fob. Press or slide this to release the hidden mechanical key. Gently pull the key out from the fob. This ensures you always have a backup method to enter your Cruze, even without battery power. Once you have the mechanical key, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It might be subtly integrated into the handle design, often hidden under a cap. Insert the mechanical key completely into the keyhole. Then, turn the key clockwise to unlock the door. You should hear a click as the lock disengages, allowing you to open the door. With the door unlocked, simply pull the door handle to open it and enter your Chevrolet Cruze. Remember to reinsert the mechanical key back into its slot within the fob for safekeeping. If you use the mechanical key due to a dead fob battery, it's a good idea to replace that battery soon. This ensures your remote functions are restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.